this is Zach. Hi! Today we are doing Lunchbox Switch Up Challenge. I have Quiz and Lightning McQueen.
Lunchbox.
And now let's get started. And I have a Elton on an Olaf Lunchbox and it says Frozen. We have L.O.L, Squishies, Gummy, and real food.
Yes. Are we ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, no picking. You can keep it or switch.
You always do like this. The Lunchbox Switch Up Challenge is like Gummy food versus real food.
Yes, similar. First round.
Okay.
Zach, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you can open your eyes. Zach, you go first because you're the little one. Would you like to keep your lunchbox or to switch it?
Keep.
Keep. Okay, let's open it then. Open your Zoe. Let's see what you have. Zach is keeping. We're not going to pick. What do you have, Zach? Open properly.
Hey, Kinder Joy! I got a mushrooms. I got a mushroom Spider-Man collectible series 1.
Ooh.
And I have Kinder Joy, my favorite.
Oh, you're happy, so well done.
You get some nice. Don't know how to open.
Let me help you quickly.
Because I'm only 3 years old.
I know you're only 3. Okay.
I got the mushrooms. Oh! I got the other Spider-Man.
That's the Zoe's toy. Zoe's got.
The big glove.
There we go. And Zach is got.
Chocolate.
Yeah. Okay, let's put it on the side. Next one. Ooh, Zach's toy is cool. There we go. Zoe, would you like to keep it or switch?
That one looks like it's heavy, but I'm not sure.
Zach, no, put it
So
down.
I'm going to keep.
You keep. Okay, open it. Zach, go on, open yours.
I got a gummy hot dog. It says hot dog. It says gummy. I have to eat
Zach,
it.
what do you have?
That has maybe a toy. I've got Lightning McQueen here. I'll open it.
Alright. There we go. Ooh.
There we go. Lightning McQueen. I opened it, guys. Catch it. I'm so fast. I'm ready to do this! This is like Stuart Armstrong, like eating a toy.
Ooh.
His mouth like that. You want to eat some?
Yum, yum, yum,
Yum, yum, yum, yum.
Okay.
I'm so hungry for that. Monster? No.
Next round. Zach, would you like to keep or switch?
Keep again.
Keep again. Okay, Zoe, go ahead. Open yours.
No.
Oh my gosh. Don't guess. Zach, open it.
Orange!
Zach, what do you
Should
have?
I eat one?
Oh, yeah, you have to eat it.
I love it.
It's your lunchbox.
L.O.L. Surprise series for little sister. You get to see who you get.
Oh, Zach, open it.
So, I really want it so bad. What can you?
Let me help you. Zach, you wanted to keep. Look what you got. Ooh, let's see who you got.
Maybe I might have gold ball because every time I get gold ball.
Eat your orange, Zoe. Ooh, what message do you have?
That's what you get.
What is it?
Bookworm. You might get a duplicate of the bear.
Oh, dear.
Look, guys. I got bookworm. Watching. So, guys, I'm opening the yellow series for L.O.L.
Little sister.
Store.
Wow. Oh, you got a pink ball. Oh, it might be
hot
different.
pink. Got a hot pink. Is this the doll? Let me help you.
That's the doll, the little one.
Beauty! Duplicate!
Oh, we never had a duplicate. Next round. Now, are you ready?
Yeah.
Open your eyes. Now, next round. No shaking, no picking.
Is that Zoe's turn?
Zoe's turn to pick. Zoe, would you like to keep or switch?
Which one is going that I like? Like stretchy banana.
You got stretchy banana.
Stick with it.
Zach, what's going on?
Stop.
Okay, let's help you.
There you go.
Wow. What do you have, Zach?
No, don't peek. It's my one. Let's see what carrot. I'm not carrot. I'm not eating it. I'm not eating it. Well,
why not?
This one's getting a thumbs up.
Come.
I'm not eating
Zach.
it. I put this a thumbs down.
This is not gummy food versus real food. This is switch or keep. Zoe's got squishy banana.
I'm not there.
And Zach.
It's not eating. Oh, I don't want carrot. That's your point.
Okay, next round. It's Zach's turn to choose. Would you like to keep or switch?
Switch.
Ooh, go on, Zoe.
Between the bread. Both wrapped up in foil.
Ooh, Zach, what do you have?
I get a sandwich.
But Zach, you have to put it on.
Oh, sandwich. Should I wear it?
Yeah.
Can you help me? That sandwich. I'm not eating that.
Let me see. You've got
one bite.
Zoe has jam sandwich. Zach has got
Hate jam. Wait. How do you do it? It's quite big, maybe. Who's that?
Zach, look at me. Oh, it's a bit too big for Zach. What is? Cool. Zoe, look how cute is that.
That?
Ow. Ooh.
You rocker like a rocker.
Yeah.
DJ glasses. Oh, DJ L.O.L, you can be DJ then.
Next round. Okay, Zoe, would you like to keep or switch?
Keep.
Okay, Zach, go ahead. Open. Zoe, go and open yours.
Yay! I got an L.O.L surprise bag!
And what does Zach have?
Oh, my message is...
You're opening it already, Zoe.
My message is break a leg!
Ooh.
You write the writing here upside down.
Okay.
Whoa! Oh, someone's coming me! Whoa! Whoa! Come on, Vinny! I want to go!
Zach likes his rat. It's a squishy toy.
I have a pink and purple bottle. Just a little dark one. If you pull it like this, if you bounce it like this, guys, it falls down. See?
It's bouncy.
All the scoopers used to be only like pink, and I got a purple scooper. It was nice little kitten.
Nice.
I got Super Baby's pet, maybe, because Super Baby's pet looks kind of like. Wow.
Hello. Oh, it's upside down. Ah.
I'll eat you.
Next
I
one.
can go side to side.
Side to side and round and round.
Whoa!
Okay, I'm ready. Open your eyes. So it's whose turn is it to choose?
Me?
Would you like to switch or keep?
Keep.
Keep, okay. Go on, Zoe.
Something L.O.L fries. I got burger.
Zach, what do you have?
Yeah!
Ooh.
I got a burger. I got Big Mac.
Zach, Zoe's got a burger.
I got
Zach
Big
has
Mac.
got a toy. Ah, he's gonna eat you.
You're trying to get you, Mum.
Ooh. Ooh.
In my clothes. He's good anywhere.
This is a cool hot wheel. Ooh.
Wow.
He's hungry for the burger. There we go. Okay.
Broke something.
Close your eyes, Zach.
Yes, I did. I did a little bar.
Now, Zoe's turn. Zoe, would you like to keep or switch? It's a hard decision. Always easy decision. You're going to keep. Are you sure? Alright, open it. Let's see.
Yay! I got my little baby toy.
Zach, what do you have?
I got. I can see something 100 on it. You got French fries.
Oh.
I got a My Little Pony toy. He's so beautiful with a microphone and a highlight in her hair.
Zach has got gummy fries. There you go.
It's right.
Don't vomit. Okay, give it back.
I don't want to. I got on my Little Pony and have different kind of leggings. She has a microphone in her hand and she's singing and saying, "Oh, the valley, oh, this is love."
Okay. She's cute. Next round. Close your eyes. Put your fries on the side. So would you like to switch or keep, Zach?
Keep.
You want keep, okay. Let's see what you have.
I got food and I have sorry monkey lollipop. Again, I'm not eating this. What do you have?
It's called tiny sausages.
They used to be my favorite.
Yeah.
I'm not eating them.
Oh, you have to try your sausages.
Motivation. I'm not eating them.
They're actually yummy. Let's open it. It's like hot dog, isn't it? It's nice actually. What do you think? You see? It's nice, isn't it? It's like hot dogs. It smells like vanilla icing. It smells
like
vanilla cupcakes, yes?
Yeah.
And the icing.
it smells with like the ice. Well, it's ice.
Okay, next round. Last round. So it is Zoe's turn to choose, yes? Zoe, would you like to keep or switch? Zach, don't touch it yet. Move your.
Switch.
You would like to switch? Zach, switch.
No, no, it's clicking.
Okay, open it. Don't picking. Zach, quick. What do you have? Zach has got gummy. Zach is always got sardine. So Zoe's got sardine. Look at her face. Zach got gummy. So nobody's happy so far. No one is happy with their choices. Okay, let's taste. There you go, Zoe. You don't want it? No?
Just gonna pick inside it.
Okay. What do you think?
Let's get to dinner.
It's not too bad, isn't it? Okay. What did you think about today's challenge?
Good!
Did you like it?
It was good because I got this.
Yeah. Are you happy with what you got?
Yes, I'm happy that I got a L.O.L. I got a little cutie of a gift. But I'm happy because I got this Hot Wheel.
And cool glasses. Well done.
I love that. I have my Little Pony, my jam sandwich flag. And I love my L.O.L surprise pet.
Atlan, Zach wants to say something.
And I love my mouse.
Yeah, you do.
And
Zoe?
And I have my different kind of version of Spider-Man, of his friend in the movie. Squish. And my stretchy, squishy banana. He's a bat. And I love my Spider-Man. My Gummy sausage was good a bit. But my favorite one was my Little Pony, my squishy, my stretchy banana, and my L.O.L pet. And I love my Lightning McQueen, and he's going to jump here. Now, let's go mouse! Thank you for watching. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe, guys! Bye! Let's do this car! I'm going to the swimming pool as well. He's ready! He's ready!
He's stuck with the gummy!